What's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of drones. On my left, we have the featherweight champion, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. And on my right, the high-flying, high-priced DJI Mini 4 Pro. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic: price. The Bwine F7 comes in at a wallet-friendly $258. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is flexing with a hefty $759 price tag. That's right, folks, for the price of one DJI Mini 4 Pro, you could almost buy 3 Bwine F7s and still have enough change for a Big Mac. So if you're ballin' on a budget, the Bwine F7 is your new best friend. Next up, let's talk about weight and registration. Both drones come in under 249 grams, so no need to worry about those pesky FAA registrations. You can just grab your drone and go! But remember, the Bwine F7 is just a tad heavier, which means it's got more room for those extra technological goodies. DJI Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, is like the guy at the gym who skipped leg day. Light on its feet, but still packs a punch. Now, on to the camera, because, let's be honest, we're all here for those epic aerial shots. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a mini Steven Spielberg in the sky. But wait, there's more. It also offers 2.7K real-time image transmission. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is no slouch either, promising 20 kilometers of FHD video transmission. That's like flying your drone from New York to New Jersey and still getting crystal clear footage. But hey, if you're not planning on sending your drone on a cross-country trip, the Bwine F7's camera should more than suffice. Let's move on to intelligent functions. The Bwine F7 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has GPS and optical flow modes, can fly along preset waypoints, orbit around points, and even follow you like a loyal puppy. It's basically the drone equivalent of a stalker, but a friendly one. On the flip side, the DJI Mini 4 Pro has active track 360 degrees, making it perfect for those who want to feel like they're in a high-speed chase scene from an action movie. It's like having Tom Cruise's stunt double in your pocket. Safety first, kids. The Bwine F7 has a one-key return function, automatic return when the battery is low, and even a Find My Drone feature. It's like the drone version of Lassie, always finding its way home. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it almost impossible to crash, even for first-timers. It's like having a sixth sense, but for drones. So if you're prone to flying into trees, the DJI Mini 4 Pro has got your back. Battery life is crucial, especially when you're just getting into the groove. The Bwine F7 offers up to 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's like watching an entire episode of your favorite TV show from the sky. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, however, comes with one 34-minute flight time battery. So you'll have to make those 34 minutes count, folks. It's like speed dating, but with the sky. Summarizing the Amazon reviews, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is praised for being a great value for its price, easy setup, and high-quality video and photo capabilities. However, some users noted its limited range and occasional communication glitches. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is highly recommended for both beginners and professionals due to its advanced features, impressive camera quality, and robust obstacle sensing. Though it has a shorter battery life, its overall performance and safety features make it a top choice. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 is the budget-friendly, feature-packed champion for those who want maximum bang for their buck. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the premium choice for those willing to splurge for top-notch features and safety. Whether you're a flying novice or a seasoned pro, there's a drone here for you. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and let us know in the comments which drone you're going to take to the skies. Until next time, remember to buy smart. Product links are in the description.